Hello student, now we are going to discuss about dental caries. Caries or tooth decay, one of the most important problem faced into the worldwide. When the enamels break down or dentin is exposed, then caries can develop. It is believed that the dental food particles, those containing fermentable carbohydrates that are lost in between the teeth, undergo decay because of bacterial action that produce acids or formation of plaque onto the tooth surface. Also potentiate the decay process and forming a pockets on the tooth surface in which food particle can adhere or decay by the bacteria of that mouth. So acids so produced that can dissolve the enamels or dentins, candies, pastries, sweets that are more easily fermentable and that are remain into the cavities and cause pain. So mucin-rich saliva has less cleansing action onto the tooth. So development of caries, on the other hand, low mucin content contains saliva protect against caries. So apart from this acid metabolites, the bacteria can produce proteolytic enzymes to act on the some small amount of protein to the enamels or increase the acid action. So poor nutrition of infants or mother at the time of early infancy or childhood that result in a poor architecture of the teeth. So prevention क्या है इसके लिए oral hygiene does not simply cleanse that teeth or prevent tooth decay. Brushing of teeth regular 2 times in a day, also necessary to remove any material or particle from the tooth surface before it harden to a calculus. Because of smooth surface or brushing that will prevent the adherence of food particle or bacteria. So fluoride in low concentration, it's present in drinking water. So deficiency of fluoride also cause this problem. Fluorine, essential element in composition of enamels, so its present might help the enamel to resist the solvent action of an acids. So it may act locally by inhibiting enzymes that produce organic acids. So fluoride products like fluorinated water, fluoride drops, topically fluoride application to the teeth. Fluoride also contain vitamins, fluoride dentifrice like paste, powders that are available for caries protections like brushing accompanied by fluoride administered either topically into the teeth. First one is sodium fluoride. Sodium fluoride क्या है? Chemical formula is NaF. Salt is manufactured by passing hydrogen fluoride into a solution of sodium carbonates. Next one is property. It's a colorless, odorless crystals, white powder soluble in water, insoluble in alcohol. Next, its acidification. Acidification of its solutions produced hydrofluoric acids, which through its weaker one but also attack the tissue and cause painful healing burns. Also store in airtight containers. Aqueous solution of salt tends to corrode or common ordinary glass bottles, so should be stored in a Pyrex wares. Solution for dental use should be made with distilled water stored in a dark Pyrex bottles that are mainly stored only for a 6 month, not more exceed 6 months. It's mainly used for the prophylaxis of dental caries in communities. So when intake of fluoride from drinking water and food is low, so it may added to the water supplies to give a final concentration of 1 part of fluoride and per millions in temperate countries. Next, its usual dose 2.2 mg once in a day. It's a insecticide or denticides. So 1.5 to 3 ppm in drinking water, topically 2% solutions to the teeth. Next is stannous fluoride. Stannous fluoride SnF2, synonym tin fluorides that can be prepared by evaporating solution of stannous oxides in hydrofluoric acid in the absence of oxygen. Next, its property. It's a colorless crystalline powder with bitter taste, really soluble in water but insoluble in alcohol and ether. Aqueous solution also acidic as a result of hydrolysis on standing. So white precipitate of stannous hydroxide that are formed. Salt should never be made into a stock solution, so salt itself should be stored in airtight containers. Next, its uses. It's very important in the prevention of caries, also mainly because simplified application or greater effectiveness. So its 8% aqua solution is mainly used for every 6 months to 1 year. 2% mainly applied 4 times during 10 days periods. So second advantages is that it increase anti-cariogenic action of fluoride ions. So used topically. Next is calcium carbonate CaCO3 synonym precipitated calcium carbonate, precipitated chalk. Precipitated calcium carbonate when dried at 200 degrees Celsius for 4 hours that contain calcium equivalent to not less than 98% of calcium carbonates. That is a dentifrice because abrasive quality due to its microcrystalline structures. That is a dental cleansing polishing agent mainly used for toothpaste and tooth powders. That is incompatible with fluoride ions, so not used in combination. That is the insoluble salt. It provides free calcium cations that will formation of calcium fluoride, so not result in decrease in fluoride ions. Next, sodium metaphosphate, that is NaPO3, mineral salt that is prepared by dehydration of sodium phosphates. Mineral salt mainly obtained by heating. So its properties, that is a white powder insoluble in water but soluble in mineral salts. So it's mainly uses as ingredient in dentifrice for cleansing purpose as a cleansing polishing agent or abrasive detergent. Next is dicalcium phosphate, that is CHPO4. That is the nomenclature is that normally look like 2 calcium instead of 1, which is actually present. So that can be prepared by interaction of neutral solution of calcium chloride or disodium hydrogen phosphate, that is a white crystalline powder. Also the hydrated salt may lose water and exposure to air, but also anhydrous salt is stable in an air, also insoluble in water and coal but soluble in dilute HCl or nitric acid. So store in airtight containers. That is given orally as a source of calcium and phosphorus in calcium deficiency state और in pregnancy or lactation as a source of calcium हम use करते हैं इसे. That is a water insoluble and converted into a soluble monomeric calcium form. So oral dose 1 to 5 gram. In dextry, one of the ingredient of fluoride ion mainly used. Next is dentifrice containing desensitizer. Dentifrice means desensitizing agent which decrease hypersensitivity. जो hypersensitivity को decrease करेंगे teeth की when applied to the outer surface when erosion has occurred near the gum line, so they reduce the sensitivity of the teeth to cold and heat. Basically, 2 compounds like strontium chloride or zinc chloride are used as a dentifrice which decrease the hypersensitivity of the teeth. First one is strontium chloride, that is SrCl2. That is a hexahydrate colorless, odorless white granules which efflorescence in dry air or delicescent in moist air, freely soluble in water and alcohols. Also at 100 degrees Celsius it loses water. It is required to be stored in airtight container. Next, it's mainly used in dentifrice at a root tooth temperature desensitizing agent. Next one is zinc chloride. Zinc chloride ZnCl2 as a butter of zinc. So contain mainly 95% of zinc chloride and the remainder is water and zinc oxychloride. Zinc chlorides. Next, its preparation that can be prepared by heating metallic zinc with concentrated. जब metallic zinc को हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड HCl से ट्रीट करते हैं तब बनता है जिंक क्लोराइड और हाइड्रोजन निकल जाता है. That is a white odorless crystalline granules porcelain like mass molded into cylinders pH about 4. When excess water at zinc oxychloride is formed, that is freely soluble in water or alcohol or crystalline. Its solution in water in alcohol also slightly turbid because due to formation of zinc oxychlorides. So that should be stored in airtight container. Next, its use as a antiseptic or as a astringent to the skin or mucous membrane or topically dentin desensitizer. So mainly used as a mouthwash for its antiseptic or astringent properties. Also in an ulcers, fistulas and pododermatitis. Thank you.